Hello everyone, welcome back to Snack English. Today we have a very important topic. We are talking about the weekend.
The weekend. Oh, I love the weekend. It is my favorite time of the week.
Yes, it is the best time. Today you will learn how to talk about your Saturday and Sunday. You will learn many new words for relaxing and having fun.
This is perfect for beginners. We use very simple words. We want to help you speak English naturally.
Please stay until the end of this lesson. At the end, we have a fun guessing game. It is a great way to test your memory.
A guessing game. I love games. They are so much fun.
Yes, they are. Are you ready to start, Sarah?
I am ready, Adam. Let us talk about the weekend.
Okay, let us start with Saturday morning. On Saturday morning, I do not wake up early.
You do not wake up early. That sounds very nice. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 10 o'clock. On work days, I wake up at 6 o'clock, but on Saturday, I stay in bed.
You stay in bed until 10 o'clock? Wow, that is very late. I wake up at 7 o'clock every day.
7 o'clock? Oh no, Sarah, that is too early for a Saturday. The sun is up, but I am asleep.
I like the morning sun. I like to see the birds in the trees.
I like the birds too, but I like my bed more. My bed is very soft and very warm.
A soft and warm bed. I understand. What do you do when you finally get up?
First, I go to the kitchen. I am very hungry on Saturday morning.
Very hungry. Me too. I am always hungry when I wake up. What do you eat?
I make a big breakfast. I take 2 eggs from the fridge. I put the eggs in a pan.
You put the eggs in a pan. Okay. Do you use butter or oil?
I use a little bit of butter. I like the smell of butter in the morning. It smells so good.
The smell of butter. Yes, it is delicious. Do you eat bread with your eggs?
Yes, I toast 2 pieces of white bread. I wait for the bread to become brown and crunchy.
Brown and crunchy toast. Yum! I love crunchy toast. Do you drink coffee too?
Oh yes, I drink a very big cup of black coffee. I do not put sugar in my coffee.
No sugar? Ugh, I do not like black coffee. It is too bitter for me. I like a lot of milk and sugar.
A lot of milk and sugar? That is like a dessert, Sarah. I like to feel the energy of the coffee.
I get my energy from the sugar. What do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I clean my house. I like my house to be very tidy for the weekend.
You clean your house? Ugh, I do not like cleaning. It is very boring.
It is a little boring, but I listen to music. I put on my headphones and I dance while I clean.
You dance while you clean? That is funny, Adam. What music do you listen to?
I listen to happy pop music. It makes me move fast. I clean the floor with a big blue mop.
A big blue mop. Okay. Do you clean the windows too?
No, I do not clean the windows every week. That is too much work. I just clean the kitchen and the living room.
The kitchen and the living room. That is good. My living room is always messy. There are books on the floor.
Books on the floor? Oh no, Sarah. You must put the books on the shelf.
I know, but I like to read many books at the same time.
After I clean, I go outside. I live near a small park.
A small park? Wow. Is it a green park with many trees?
Yes, it is very green. There are tall trees and many colorful flowers. I see red flowers and yellow flowers.
Red and yellow flowers. How beautiful. Do you walk or do you run in the park?
I walk very slowly. I want to look at the sky. The sky is usually very blue on Saturdays.
A blue sky. That is so relaxing. Do you see other people in the park?
Yes, I see many families. I see children playing with a ball. I see a man walking a small white dog.
A small white dog. Ugh, I love dogs. I want to have a dog one day.
Dogs are great friends. This dog was very happy. It was jumping and wagging its tail.
Jumping and wagging its tail. That makes me smile. Do you sit on a bench?
Yes, I sit on a wooden bench under a big tree. I stay there for 30 minutes. I just breathe the fresh air.
Fresh air. That is the best way to relax. Do you look at your phone?
No, I do not look at my phone. I leave my phone in my pocket. I want to be quiet.
No phone. Wow, that is very difficult for me. I always look at my phone.
You should try it, Sarah. It is good for your head. Everything is quiet and peaceful.
Quiet and peaceful. Okay, I will try that next Saturday. What do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I go to the supermarket. I need to buy food for the week.
The supermarket. Ugh, the supermarket is always so busy on Saturdays.
Yes, it is very busy. There are many people with big shopping carts. Everyone is in a hurry.
Everyone is in a hurry. I hate that. I like to take my time.
Me too. I go to the fruit section first. I buy 5 red apples and 3 yellow bananas.
Red apples and yellow bananas. Those are very healthy. Do you buy vegetables too?
Yes, I buy big green broccoli and some orange carrots. I want to make a big salad.
A big salad. Yum! Do you put tomatoes in your salad?
Yes, I buy small sweet tomatoes. They are very red and juicy.
Red and juicy tomatoes. My mouth is watering now. What else do you buy?
I buy some chicken and some pasta. I love pasta with tomato sauce.
Pasta with tomato sauce. That is my favorite meal. Do you cook it on Saturday night?
Yes, I cook a big dinner on Saturday night. I spend 1 hour in the kitchen.
1 hour in the kitchen? Wow, you are a very good cook, Adam.
I try my best. I put the pasta in a big pot of boiling water. I wait for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay, and then you add the sauce?
Yes, I make the sauce with the tomatoes and some garlic. The smell fills the whole house.
The smell fills the house. Oh, I want to visit your house on Saturday night.
You are always welcome, Sarah. After dinner, I watch a movie.
You watch a movie. What kind of movies do you like?
I like funny movies. I like to laugh. Laughing is good after a long week.
I like to laugh too. Do you eat popcorn while you watch the movie?
Yes, I make a bowl of salty popcorn. I sit on my sofa and I turn off the lights.
Salty popcorn and a movie. That sounds like a perfect Saturday night.
It is perfect. I feel very happy and relaxed.
Happy and relaxed. What about Sunday? Is Sunday the same?
No, Sunday is different. Sunday is for my family.
For your family. Oh, that is sweet. Do you visit your parents?
Yes, I drive my car to my parents' house. They live in a small village outside the city.
A small village? Wow. Is it quiet there?
It is very quiet. There are no loud cars and no big buildings. There are only small houses and gardens.
Small houses and gardens. That sounds very pretty. What do you do with your parents?
We sit in the garden and talk. My mother makes tea and we eat cake.
Tea and cake. What kind of cake does she make?
She makes a very soft chocolate cake. It is the best cake in the world.
The best cake in the world? Wow, I love chocolate. My mother makes lemon cake.
Lemon cake? Ugh, I do not like lemon cake. It is too sour for me.
Too sour. No, it is sweet and fresh. I love it.
Well, we can agree to disagree. My father and I also played chess in the garden.
You play chess? Oh, chess is a very difficult game. You have to think a lot.
Yes, you have to think very hard. My father is very good. He always wins.
He always wins. Poor Adam. You need to practice more.
I know, but it is okay. I just like spending time with him.
That is the most important thing, spending time together.
After tea, we go for a walk in the woods behind their house.
A walk in the woods. Are there many trees and animals?
Yes, there are many tall, old trees. Sometimes we see a brown rabbit or a small bird.
A brown rabbit. Oh, how cute. I love rabbits. They have long ears.
Yes, they have long ears and they run very fast. We walk for 1 hour and then I go home.
You go home. Do you feel sad to leave?
A little bit, but I am ready for the new week. I go home and I prepare my clothes for Monday.
You prepare your clothes. You are very organized, Adam.
I try to be. I wash my white shirt and I iron my black trousers.
A white shirt and black trousers. Very professional. I just pick my clothes on Monday morning.
Monday morning? Oh, no, Sarah. That is too stressful. You will be late for work.
I am always a little bit late, but I'm always happy.
Well, that is good. Now let us talk about a different kind of weekend.
A different weekend, like a dream weekend?
Yes. Imagine you have a lot of money and a lot of time. What is your dream weekend?
Oh, wow. My dream weekend is at the beach. I want to stay in a hotel near the blue ocean.
A hotel near the blue ocean. That sounds amazing. Would you go alone?
No, I would go with all my friends. We would have a big party on the sand.
A party on the sand. Would there be music and dancing?
Yes, loud music and lots of dancing. We would eat fresh fruit and drink cold juice.
Fresh fruit and cold juice. That sounds very refreshing. Would you swim in the ocean?
Oh, yes, I would swim in the water all day. The water would be warm and clear.
Warm and clear water. I can see it in my head. I would prefer to go to the mountains.
The mountains? Brr, it is too cold in the mountains.
No, it is not too cold. It is fresh. I want to stay in a small wooden cabin with a fireplace.
A wooden cabin with a fireplace. That is cozy. What would you do there?
I would read my favorite books and look at the snowy peaks. Everything would be white and silent.
White and silent. That is very different from my beach party.
Yes, it is a big contrast. You like the noise and the sun. I like the quiet and the snow.
I guess we are very different, Adam, but that's okay.
Yes, it is very okay. Now, are you ready for our game, Sarah?
I am ready. I love the guessing game. Tell me the first thing.
Okay, I use this thing on Saturday morning. It's in the kitchen. It's metal and it gets very hot. I use it to cook my eggs. What is it?
It's metal and it gets hot. Is it a pan?
Yes, it is a pan. Great job, Sarah.
1 point for me. Give me the next one.
Okay, this is something I do in the park. I do it slowly. I use my legs to move. I do not run. What is it?
You move slowly and you don't run. Is it walking?
Yes, it is walking. You are very good at this.
I am a professional guesser. Give me one more.
Okay, this is a food. My mother makes it on Sunday. It is sweet and brown. It has a lot of sugar and cocoa. What is it?
Oh, I know this one. It is the best cake in the world. It's chocolate cake.
Yes, chocolate cake. You got all of them right, Sarah.
Yay! I am the winner.
Well, that's the end of our lesson about the weekend.
We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you learned many new words.
Remember to practice your English every day, even for 5 minutes.
Yes, 5 minutes is very good. Please subscribe to our channel for more lessons.
Thank you for listening. Have a great weekend, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.